flip up, you got 6. 6, 9 make yin yang. 6 plus 9 make 15. 5, 1 make 6 again. Now when birds sleep, see how she took in. See her head? Now watch this. It's a rapper. Watch it. Hey, time to perform.
Hello, this is Ask Pharmacist Tish. I'm here in the beautiful city of Charlotte, North Carolina. And who do I have the pleasure of meeting today?
You have Willie Bernard Simpson Sr.
All right, hey.
I'm a reverend son, so I live through the Bible,
okay.
With the Bible, and I do have the opportunity to have a church.
Okay, so, all right, so where were you born and raised, Mr. Willie?
Right here in Mecklenburg County in Piedmont Court.
Piedmont Court? Okay. So what happened to you? You say you just got out the hospital?
Yes, right here in Carolina Medical. You look at the date is 6571. It's my birthday. But admitting date is 4/1/2022.
And how old are you?
I'm 50 years old.
50 years old?
Put an extra year so that I can strive to be that year.
So how did you end up in the hospital?
I have a rare bird in which I can show you now, but
you have a rare bird?
A bird right there. I can show you the bird because it's a rare bird and it's going to stink.
Is it alive?
Yes, it is. It's hibernating, and I don't know what to do with her.
Okay.
But I keep her alive, and I can show you that she is alive. See, right now when birds sleep, see how she took in. See her head? Now watch this. It's a rapper. Watch this. Hey, time to perform. See how I have fluffy? Come on. Now look at her eye open. Come on. Now she breathe right here. See?
Okay.
But look at the eye. Hey, perform time.
So where did you get her from?
Well, look at her now. Now watch right here. You see it'll blow up because she breathes from the hole over there. But look at her eye. If I put a flashlight, it'll change the switch.
Okay.
If I stress while she with me, she'll look. See, look at her.
Okay, she's beautiful.
Yeah, but the police stepped on the hood last night.
Yo, hold up. The police stepped on your birdie?
The other one.
You have two birds?
Look, now she lay her head back down. Show that. See?
Oh, okay.
That's why I keep her and let her hibernate.
Right.
But she was one of the birds where 3 birds got killed. One of them got snatched up by an owl. Okay, I couldn't stop it. Got stepped on by the police last night. And I'm the one that had in the news that got stabbed 17 times.
So you were in the news for being stabbed 17 times?
Right there in front of the place, hello, point at it, and you see the security guards over there.
Yeah.
They didn't pull a gun. They said it ain't white. So I fought, came to Eddie B's.
And
when I ran over there for them to protect me, they pulled the guns out on me and told me to get off their property. I'm not a white guy, so they don't give nothing about the homeless.
So you believe that racism plays a part on?
Racism is so powerful here. The dog got a water fountain for one. You laugh, but they do.
It's so sad.
And then the store man opened the water and poured it in a pan before he even gave me the water to drink. Now, also, if you look around, there is no porta johns.
Right.
You got to be a paying customer to use the bathroom.
Yeah.
And they got 3 porta johns over at the shelter area. But the porta johns, if you show your picture, it hasn't been cleaned in 2-3 years. You got 200 people for 3 porta johns. And on top of that, they haven't had no toilet paper. Everybody shit, but nobody wiped their ass. You laughing, but if you record it, and if you would have videoed that white man running us off, and he looked at me and I spit on the ground because I got, cold, I'm getting over. He told me he'll lock me up for spitting on the ground.
Yeah, I was there. That is true.
And then the one girl was over there cussing and say somebody, he didn't run her off.
So let me ask you this: what happened for you to get stabbed? Who stabbed you 17 times?
One with my cousin and 2 other guys was gangbangers that in which.
And why did they stab you right in a public place?
I got robbed right there in front of.
You got robbed. Gotcha.
Black people can get robbed, beat up, jumped on, stabbed, beat. But security is not concerned for us.
Yeah.
Only concerned for the
I see you have something on top of your head. That's what you got stabbed on top of your head too?
Yeah, I got that last month.
So that's a different from the 17 stabbings?
Yes.
Okay, so what happened to
And
that?
right here, this is a fresh new one.
What happened?
Look, police did this one.
Why did the police do that?
Because they stepped on my other bird, and I told them the bird was hibernating. They stepped on, say he dead now. I started crying, and I knew this bird right here is the real one.
Right.
Look at her. See?
Right. Is your bird okay? Hibernating?
I don't know shit about birds, but I know how to take care of them. Anyway, she wrapped in nice little cushions.
Right, yeah, you got her nice and taken care of.
Of course, because people have dogs,
Right.
they have cats. But if you look at a police officer now, he's worried about a nigga sitting in that chair. Look at him. He's telling them no, they can't sit there. But the white girl sat there, fussed, and told everybody kiss their butt.
So I'm sorry. So why did you go to the doctor, the hospital yesterday? Yeah, why?
Look at that.
Oh, because of that incident.
Look at
Right.
this. Look.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Now put a picture on him. He's standing there all that time.
Well, when I want my phone taken away, I'll do it. Okay, I'm gonna get my phone taken away. I mean, come on now.
Get a phone. I'm gonna record him because he wanted to lock me up because I spit it
Right.
on the ground.
So
He tried to tell me I was cussing over there, but I'm a minister, and if I cuss, something ain't right.
yeah. Okay. So tell me about your childhood. How was your childhood? Did you have a good childhood? Did you have your mom and dad in the home? All right. How were your teenage years? Were they rough or?
Well, I'm a child. Hold up. Commercial break. Car speed.
Okay.
I got a twin.
Okay. You have a twin brother? Or
That's a male.
Our sister, yeah, could be a sister.
Nine.
Okay.
Sister is bona fide, and she's a church leader.
Okay. So you from a church family. All right. So do you have any mental
My
health?
dad is Reverend Willoughby Simpson, who get a food away every May 9th in North Charlotte. Homestead 1921 was his address.
So you have any mental health issues or anything?
Yes, I do.
What kind?
I'm a Gemini.
Okay.
Look, you hear all that? That's the white girl. The police ain't saying nothing to her, and now he about to say something because we on TV.
Okay. So you are. So what other mental health issues besides being a Gemini?
I got a Rubik's Cube personality swag to the point where I've been in prison for like 15, 16 years straight.
Why did you go to prison?
Well, that's confidential information. Ain't no need for me to discuss it. We're talking about the date and these times.
Okay, got
If
you.
you want to know what Willie Bernard Simpson Sr., if you want to know.
Okay. Are you mad with me?
You know I am, but I'm trying to be good
Well,
because you
hold
got
on.
a pretty face.
Thank you. But why are you mad at me?
You don't want me to discuss what went down around here.
Okay. Okay. Well, I mean,
Don't
but
put yourself on Front Street.
I didn't.
No, don't try to explain, because let's carry on so the
Okay.
next man
Okay.
can go.
Okay.
I do have a personality of Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde.
Yeah, I see.
But you're beautiful to the
Aw.
point where I got to melt like an ice cream.
Aw.
But it wasn't for your pretty toes. I would have had no food.
You're very charming.
And if it wasn't for your breath smell like peppermint, I would have told you your breath smell like boo-boo.
Well, thank God it's peppermint then. So what would you like to share with us? Like, I mean, so how long you been homeless?
Since 2010.
And how did you end up homeless?
I got married in 2009 with a fourth baby mama, which I got 10 kids. One of my juniors just got killed 2 months ago on baby.
One of your
4.
children?
My junior.
Okay.
8 boys and 2 girls.
Okay.
24 grandkids.
Wow. Okay.
I got a divorce from his mom because she smacked the shit out of him. And she smacked me because when I did my time, I came out with a Arnold Schwarzenegger, and when I got out there, she was bigger than Jabba the Hutt, weighing 3 and some change. And I told her, listen, you get a food stamp card, we keep the food, I don't need it. Child support take like 65% of my check then.
Okay.
But I was thinking criminal, but I got a leg monitor, so I didn't do no crime.
Okay.
And on top of that, she smacked me in front of my daughter. My daughter loves daddy to death.
Right.
So for me to put my hands on her mom in front of her, then I am a woman beater.
Okay.
If you look at my record, I don't got no assaults on a female. But when
Okay.
it comes down to these males, I bring the pain hardcore to their brain.
So how was your time in prison?
Hell.
But you made it through.
If you Google in there, I got more assaults in there than I got on the street.
Okay.
I'm not a gangbanger.
Right.
So when the gang come, it be 3 or 4, and all 3 or 4 of them take assault charges and charges on me.
Okay.
They look at the camera and let it go.
So how did you end up homeless, babe?
I got a divorce.
Okay. And so that.
She got everything.
Oh.
But I want to stay with my mom, but my mom got my daughter and my sister in it. So me being what they call bipolar, schizophrenic, active mood dysregulatory psychosis, and I do have personality issues.
Okay, so you have schizophrenia and bipolar.
Everybody know the definition of it. So right now I'm gonna show you this. This how far I fight. Look how far my knuckle go back. That's how much war I go through. You look at these scars and blood tissues. These are fresh.
And so what are you doing about your schizophrenia? Do you take medication?
I have no money for medication, so therefore I deal with God, Jesus Christ, and I judge you not for ye shall be judged, and I live by the stone. So if you're not seeing, hit him with a brick. Because if David fought Goliath, he would have been a piece of cake. So I do what I do to survive.
Right. How do you so where do you go sleep tonight?
Sometimes I sleep in trees because I'm Rasta, buckshot band, okay, because I am Haitian.
Oh, you're Haitian?
Yes, to the heart.
Okay.
I love women, but men chop their heads off.
Oh, okay.
Let me get my brother, my Rasta man here on light.
All right.
One thing we need to do is unite as black people and let them know that Rosa Parks is a black woman. Look at the graveyard. Dog shit they pissing on your great grandmama and shit. Everybody.
Right.
But the white people, no. But we go see great people and we smell dog shit.
Right.
And they pissing. And even the homeless can't shit and piss in public.
Well, where was a lot of, was it there or you picked it up, right?
Yes, I did. But there it go right there.
Oh, okay. How did you find?
That is how my personality swag do something to it, because they knew
So
the Rasta man come through. Let me get him job blessed. The Rasta blessed to that.
So
Buffalo soldier in the heart of America.
Okay,
anyway.
so do you okay, back to your Medicaid, you can get Medicaid for your medication or anything?
Okay. I'm gonna say it again from the beginning.
Okay, hon.
I got out. Medication, you gotta travel distance with no ID,
Okay.
no bus passes,
Okay.
and walk. I got a toe cut off because my dad was diabetic.
Okay.
And he was a martial artist. So
Okay.
that's why my skills are beyond average.
Okay.
And my mom died of a heart attack when they bust open.
Okay.
Corona got no chance. So those 2 deaths you go is justified.
Okay.
But for Medicaid and medication, I have been celibate from it, because if I go to CVS right here now,
Okay.
and if y'all can donate $12, I can get the naproxen that keep my hands from swelling.
Okay.
And
So you just want something for your arthritis?
I want something for everything, but these crackers ain't giving you nothing. Freedom of speech.
Right. Yes, freedom of speech. Anything else you'd
Yeah.
like to say? What do you like to say to the city of Charlotte helping the homeless community?
The city of Charlotte is full of what you call bullshit. Because if you look at the statues, Queen Charlotte was a Native American, for one. And for 2, she had 9 kids. Boom. 9 flip up You got 6. 6, 9 make yin and yang. 6 plus 9 make 15. 5, 1 make 6 again.
Okay.
So anyway, if Charlotte gave a damn about us, I wouldn't get harassed over spitting on the sidewalk, for one.
Okay.
And a white girl cussing shit and bit, but they ain't say nothing, for 2.
Right.
Every black person sat there, got moved because profanity. In which me being a minister, I don't cuss, but when I cuss, something about to happen.
Uh-oh.
But anyway, if you look around, the water fountains, for one.
Okay.
The dog got a water fountain here, the dog got a water fountain there.
Yeah.
Once you shit and piss, you gotta look at my dingling when I do it, because I ain't got nowhere else to do. I get locked up for it. But that's $500. Now look at the white people, they walking around with wine, $1,000, but they don't get locked up. If I got a beer that costs $1.99, I gotta pay $500 just cause the beer. But these celebrations is open opportunity, and you supposed to drink in public. You got to white people do it.
Okay.
And also, the Porta John, if you record it and go view it just after you get through before you go home, but you catching the city buzz. Anyway, it has no toilet paper.
Okay.
So how in the hell everybody shit? And don't you know how many homeless is 200 or better?
Yeah.
But we only got 3
Porta Johns.
local Porta Johns.
All right, so they just need more resources to survive.
Resources. We need to get them damn Klan and them black people that act like they white out of the places so that we can know that it be done. But if you want to go deeper, all the money y'all been giving them, I'm going to tell you what we eat every day.
What's that?
Bologna, cheese, potato chips, a water, and gummy bears.
Okay.
And we only eat a hot meal one day.
Oh, wow. Well, there's a lot of hot food. They had pizza and stuff.
But you got to pay for it.
I just been there. They had hot dogs and chili dogs.
They doing it because these white folks here, they showing and faking like they do what they do. But when them white folks go, we got bologna, cheese. I always careful. I could catch the bus and take my bird to my daughter, and I got baby food, hamburger meat, and I can show you if you want a video of my book bag. I open it, you'll see it.
Okay.
I had it last night, but the police harassed me because they saying I'm sitting there at the transit. So mine is so wrong to the point I stayed on the street since I got out of prison, got married, got a divorce because she smacked the shit out of me like Tina Turner, and I ain't Tina Turner with a burner. So outside of that,
well, I appreciate.
I gotta wait till somebody die in the shelter to live. They've been in there 10, 20 years, food stamp, no addiction.
Yeah.
They buy sugar ash coffee, and they playing each other butt. So I'm anti-phagophobic.
Okay.
And my mom couldn't hug me until 6 months after I got through with my time.
Why?
Cause I'm sensitive.
Are you on any substances?
That is none of nobody's business, cause it's all about what goes down to stress me for substance.
Okay, I got you. Well, I appreciate everything.
I just left the hospital, so obviously that'll let you know the facts of the fresh nuts
Yeah.
that the police did to me, which he wanted to beat me up for spitting on the ground. Cause I tell him straight out, you're a redneck, freedom of speech. And that nigga there shouldn't be so close because we got 6 feet difference. So if I'm packing, why would they walk up on me and put their diggling in my face while I'm bent down, cleaning my shit? And you're laughing, I'm dead ass. You just saying some racist shit. You wouldn't put the phone on him because he'll take it.
I know.
But when I get my phone, I ain't got nobody to call.
Right.
I can't have my ID because they ordered it for, I went in January for ID due to Corona. My ID is supposed to come back in June last year. But due to these incidents of me not being able to make it from A to B, and right now I can't even catch the bus to go to Little Rock Road, Polytech at 9328. It's the address. So now I got to sit out here, hold up a sign and say, help me if you can, because Jesus helped the poor, and your rich bona fide ass people can't buy your way again.
All right. Well, on that note, I appreciate your time. Okay.
Yeah, well, I want somebody to help get me off these streets, because if I got to start killing homeless people, somebody already in the best shape before me.
All right. Well, you
I
take
had
care.
mental health evaluation,
Mm-hmm.
and the mental health said, which one of y'all I'm talking to? I said, I don't know. So they let me go this time, cause my mom used to be my
Right.
co-owner to sign me up if she passed away. So now they hold me 60 days or better, but I have mastered the thoughts and metaphysics to the point where I outthink them.
Right.
So they get to the point where they say, you being smart. I said, well, shit, I ain't dumb. So anyway, they let me go this time.
Okay.
Because they didn't x-ray my head.
Yeah.
They didn't give me a cup of water. And I got escorted out of there
Okay.
and pushed in the back. And if I had a phone, you'd record, but I am an animal. And I know the animal existence because we had chains around our neck and our eyes. And we picked cotton 48 hours, got 2 cups of water. So
Yeah.
everybody ought to have reparation.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Thank you, Mr. Willie. I appreciate you.
I give you a pound because you're pretty and I want to touch your hand and rub it.